Welcome to VINDAL'S concept. Let's look at this problem and simplify it. So they don't have the same base. I have to make them to be in the same base. That's my first job. So I'm going to have log x base 8 is going to be log x all over log 8. Then in this case, I can choose any base of my choice. I can choose 7. Since there is base 7, I want everything to be in base 7. So that means in place of this log x base 8, I'm going to put log x base 7 all over log 8 base 7. So let's start with this one. I have log x base 7 plus, instead of writing this, everything here is substituted for that. So I have log x base 7 all over log 8 base 7 equal to 1. I can make this one, since everything is in base 7, I can decide to make it log 7 base 7, but I don't think it's necessary. Let's keep going. I'm going to clear the fraction. So this multiplied by this multiplied by itself, this multiplied by this. Now this multiplied by this is going to have log x base 7 dot log 8 base 7. Remember, this is multiplication, plus log x base 7 equal to log 8 base 7. Okay, so when I multiply this times this, I have this, then this will cancel itself, so it can't be represented. I have log x base 7 left, and then this is. Then the next thing I'm going to do is factor out log x base 7 is here, log x base 7 here. I'm going to factor them out. I have log x base 7, all bracket 1, all bracket log 8 base 7 plus 1 is equal to log 8 base 7. So I am going to divide both sides by log 8 base 7 plus 1. So let me do it here. I have log x base 7 is equal to log 8 base 7 all over log 8 base 7 plus 1. Okay, so this is log x base 7 is equal to log 8 base 7 all over log 8 base 7 plus log 7 base 7, because this is 1, this one is this. Now, according to the law of multiplication, when they are adding, you multiply their logs. So I have log x base 7, which is equal to log 8 base 7 all over log 56 base 7. All right? So at this case now, 8 times 7 is going to be 56. Now look at this. This is base 7 equal to everything here. Now recall this law that said that log 8 base 2 is equal to maybe something else. So I would say 2 raised to power x is equal to 8. That means the base of the left hand side will be raised to the power with what is on the right hand side. So this thing that happened here, I'm going to apply it here. So I'm going to have 7 raised to power log 8 base 7 all over log 56 base 7, and this is equal to x. That's just it. So I've gotten my x. Simply means that x is equal to 7 raised to power log. Okay, so remember this too. Remember this. Log 8 base x is something as this over there. So this new power now, I'm going to ignore the powers. I will ignore this power. Ignore this power. Just say log 8 log x base 8. So the same thing I'm going to ignore this power. Ignore this. I mean the base here. I'm ignoring this. So it's going to be 8 base 56. Thank you. Please don't forget to share this video, like and comment. Bye.